see what's inside. Now we're gonna use a lot. Almost. I'm getting out of the box. I'm almost out. That was not going to be successful.
No, it's okay. It's okay. Let's just use another pencil, okay? Right here.
Now we're painting. Come on.
No, you need to just poke it. Yes.
What? It's almost coming out.
Here we go.
There we
What
go.
is that?
It's Goldeneye.
It's Goldeneye. Okay. James Bond.
I now have a screener tape of this. I'm so happy to have it.
Very good. Very good. What are we gonna do with this?
You're gonna watch it.
Okay, cool.
And look at these companies and the tape. So yeah, that is the unboxing video of this tape.
Let's put it on the shelf for now.
It sure is.
Okay.